Hey, what's up, guys? This is your boy Travis back again here with another unboxing. So, we got another big box from none other than Hobby Link Japan, kind of my spot. So, I always do these videos when I get some new figures in. I don't always guarantee that I'm going to post these, but most of the time I do. I like to make sure I record all my unboxings because just in case I'm missing something or something is fucked up, I have video proof. So I am just now opening this. So let's take a good look at what we got. Obviously, I know what's in this box. Ooh, shit. That was almost all bad. Y'all don't know what's right there, but it almost fell. And it was almost a damn disaster. Alrighty then. So let's see what we got. All right. We got these things. Actually, I am going to probably use these because I need to ship back my Leonardo mech because Big Bad Toy Store said they would give me a new one. So this has obviously been out for a while. I got this on the re-release. We got the Fat Batman and Robin from The Dark Knight Returns. Been wanting this for a while, but it's been sitting in my storage. So finally got that. So that's cool. This box is actually pretty heavy. I got some stuff in here. It's not a huge unboxing. I don't have a lot of things. I think maybe like 7 or 8 things. So we got what's her name? Kikaru Shinomiya from Kaiju number 8. So definitely had to get that. I need 2 more. I need the 2 guys from that. Right now I just got the girls. Oh, they gave me their good old magazine that always does nothing for me. But they usually have some decent stuff to look at in here, but most of the stuff I don't even mess with. Ha. Speaking of mech turtles, we got Raph. Got Raph in, so I officially have all 3 that have been released. Well, Leo's gonna be returned, but Raph is here. And then hopefully Donnie will come out soon. I think he's supposed to come out this month at some point. Needed some new nippers for my model kits. Glad I got those. Definitely needed those. What else is in here? We have Bring Arts. I thought this was a Play Arts Kai, but no, this is a Bring Arts. So this is Bring Arts Benedicta Harmon. I think this is from Final Fantasy. Is it 16? I think that's who this is. This is from, I think, yeah, Final Fantasy 16, yeah. So we got the character. I haven't even played Final Fantasy 16, but she looked like a pretty cool character. And then the very last thing, which is probably why this box is so heavy, we have the re-release of the 3-0 Hulk Buster. So DLX Hulk Buster. This bad boy has got some weight to it. I do have the Iron Man, I think it's Mark 43, that fits like the torso or something fits inside this guy. So I do have that on pre-order. It just hasn't come out yet. And that's it. It wasn't a big unboxing. I just have those few things. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. 7, including the nippers. So yeah, like I said, it's about 7 things. Nothing too shocking here, but there are some reviews to look forward to. So anyway, that's it for the unboxing. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, peace.